The previous video shut off, so I'm going to do this again for the last time. I'm going to put the future wild intro. So I've shown before that in the future the black cap squirrel monkey will evolve into a badger-like animal. Let's see it evolve. My cat's there. The video shut off the other time, so I'm doing this again. It would evolve in a world with or with no humans. So anyways, I'm going to the future realm intro now. So anyways, this article explains why there's no monkeys in North America. And it would be cool to have monkeys in North America. But when I go down here, it states that now I'm going. What if I hear a longer version of this? Nah, I think I'll just go back here. I'm on YouTube. Am I going the right one? Oh, this one's better.
Imagine a world millions of years in the future.
Wait,
a world where evolution has written a new chapter in the story.
Wait, I'm gonna show shapeshift again.
The world is inhabited by very strange creatures, like nothing the earth has ever seen.
So, in the future, it states in this article that there could be monkeys in the future, in North America at least. Nowadays, the only thing that could potentially send monkeys running north would be another dramatic climate shift that would either create a lush environment for them in North America or destroy the areas they currently thrive in, forcing them to move or die. No one can predict what will happen, but it's a possibility, especially since the climate change is already causing humans to relocate. If it doesn't change, though, the furthest north monkeys will get is southern Mexico and Central Asia. Till then, U.S. can pretty much remain monkeyless outside of zoos. We should never get those ancient monkey ancestors that happened to wander over the Isthmus, Panama, across Central America, and Takara. And take a look around the continent, shake the heads, and wander straight back. So, in the future, climate change could cause, like, the black cap squirrel monkey to, like, move up north. And then we can see them, like, evolve into the badger. Like a badger-like monkey or something like that. Now I'm going to DuckDuckGo. The Futurama. Actually, I don't think I want the Batman Beyond intro. That's futuristic too. It's all about future. The world will either, but there's a book. After Man. I made a mistake. After Man book. So in the future, there could be this is like a world with no humans that could happen through like robots. And then there's the future evolution, or animals could evolve either way without any like, with no like, even if there are humans. the animals could like, and plants too could evolve. That's a dandelion there. So dandelions would evolve. Batman. So I'm gonna show it shapeshift again. So the Illuminati, like the Illuminati rules the world. They are Alpha Draconians. They are Skeksis-like, bird-like, and reptile-like. They want to create a one-world government. And if they're not humans, this would be the world. Pangea 2. That's an Illuminati city right there. Intro to splicing. Bug Rogers intro. Actually, I want to listen to that. Future evolution. It was the Illuminati city. Humans could evolve too. Or that badger monkey I made could like evolve through genetic engineering. Genetic engineering. Oh, why did I put ill there? This badger monkey could evolve through genetic engineering. So that could be it. Animals could like change due to genetic engineering. I wonder what else I should put. Futurama intro. Oh, Batman Beyond is Illuminati too. I know what else though. The Terminator theme. That's futuristic. But yeah, I think I'd just go back to Future is Wild. Future is Wild intro. That one has no talking. So it'd be pretty cool if there were monkeys in North America. There were, it says here. Post-apocalyptic world. Also, the black cat, the squirrel monkey are in zoos, so I imagine them like escaping. And then like living in the wild and stuff. Anyways, I got in this video now.